this is Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life Coaching and Healing, and today I would like to talk a little bit about how to do your spring cleaning, because you can make money with spring cleaning. The funny thing is, when people do spring cleaning, they probably take out everything out of all the cupboards, or say you want to do one cupboard, you take everything out of that one cupboard, and then if you want to clean that particular item, you can do that and put it back in. But if you can't be bothered to clean that particular item, do you want to put it back in your cupboard? I don't think you should. I think maybe you can put it in a box in the garage and leave it there for a couple of months. There's another video about that. And sell it. That's how you can make money. You can donate things and you can give things away, and that will make you feel good as well. But if you're a bit hard up or a bit tight on money, you can sell your things. There's lots of different ways of selling it, and there's lots of online things. There's the car boot sales and things like that. So the main thing is, when you do a spring clean, don't put anything back that you don't appreciate, that you don't enjoy, that you don't want to clean. Just put it away somewhere, and think about, I need to get rid of this. Or even when you have it in your hand, you're like, oh, I don't need this anymore. Take a photo, put it online, sell it. That's a good way to make some money. And with all that space that you're gaining, your brain will be so much more clear, as well as the space in your house. You're actually creating space in your brain as well, and with that there'll be a lot more creativity coming into your life. The less things that clutter up your brain, the more you can do with it, the more you can be creative with your life, with everything really. So make some money, sell your junk, and create more space. It's a perfect solution really, and it's a good way to make money. This is Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life, one of the videos from my money vlog, and please subscribe to my channel and keep on watching the playlist money vlog for more interesting and entertaining videos on how to save money and how to make more money. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and enjoy your spring clean. Bye.